The Sikorsky UH-60 Blackhawk, nicknamed Yanshuf or Owl in Hebrew, is a 4-blade, twin-engine transport helicopter used by the IDF since 1994. The helicopter's high durability, engine power, and heavy cargo capacity make it an optimal aircraft for complex transport, rescue, and evacuation missions. On April 11, 1996, just 2 years after their arrival, the Israeli Blackhawks were first used in combat during Operation Grapes of Wrath against Hezbollah in southern Lebanon. Since, the IDF's 2 Blackhawk squadrons, the Desert Birds and Rolling Sword, have played a significant role in the IDF's overall mission of protecting the State of Israel. Oh, and in case you were wondering, our owls never sleep.